Hey folks, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room and Optionetics. This is my market update for August 16th, 2017 in 3 minutes or less. Stocks, take a look at SPY here. So we've been hitting this support level on the way up since springtime. And so every time we seem to shrug something off, we're hitting an area of support and bouncing off. Right now, we're coming into an area here where we look like we want to blow up one way or another, either blow up or blow down. It was a bearish day today. The S&P, SPY, was really one of the strongest of the bunch, even though today was a bearish day. But keep an eye on the remaining few weeks, because I do think we're going to be testing this red line here to the downside. Bond market also has its own support line to deal with, although it's been jumping up, and if the market does continue lower, I expect to see bonds break out and make new highs here for the week. Also, if you look at an area of what we like to call a flight to quality, it definitely seems to be happening in the euro dollar. Right, the euro dollar seems to be a flight to quality, especially with geopolitical events and events that are happening right here in the States. Keep an eye on FXE, as it too is consolidating, where we're seeing lower highs and pretty much the same lows. I expect we're going to bump one way or another, and this market is due for a big move, either to the upside or the downside. Is oil telling us where we're likely to go? Well, the oil markets did break out of its triangle, the triangle where we see the lower highs happening, all right, from April until present, and then the higher lows that started out just around mid-June. We broke out of those a couple days ago, and if you're a technical analyst, then you got to think that the area of support is going to be right back down here again, around $8.70 on USO, which is the ETF we look at for oil. Finally, got a lot of great compliments out of my little iPhone experiment I did a couple weeks ago, so I got another one for you here. So check this out. Had some folks asking me about Bitcoin, and is there ways to track that, especially on a smartphone. I use an app called ZeroBlock, Z-E-R-O-B-L-O-C-K. All right, it is an iPhone app. I assume that it's probably good for an Android device as well. And you can keep track of Bitcoin. As many of you know, I have a few Bitcoin. I've had some for several years now. I can't believe the price. It's absolutely insane. But check it out, guys. Again, you can get this app at zeroblock.com or at ZeroBlock. It is absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed this week's market update, and I will be seeing you very soon. Have a great evening.